Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be turning my daughter's artwork into a t-shirt and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you're not already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications for every time that I do a new video. So right now I'm in Sawgrass Creative Studio. I have already saved the image as a PNG and right now I'm just sizing it into the Creative Studio so that it will fit an 8x10 piece of paper. My daughter drew this in Photoshop and it was saved as a PNG so that I could bring it over here and go ahead and print it out so that I could put it on a t-shirt. Once this is printed out, all we have to do is take it over to the heat press and press the image on the t-shirt, and that's it. And the reason I'm stretching out my shirt like this right after I get it off the heat press is because sometimes the sublimation paper can leave little lines or creases, and I'm just trying to make sure that I can get all of those out so that the shirt is nice and neat. And that's it for this video. My daughter's artwork really came to life with this t-shirt. She's really excited to make more. You guys can do this with things that you draw or things that your kids draw. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Also hit the thumbs up and hit the bell for notifications for every time that I do a new video. If you guys have tried this before, make sure you leave comments down below. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.